Let me ask you something really quick. Have you ever poured your heart into an email, hit send, and waited, only to get zero replies? No clicks, no sales, no nothing. It's like you're screaming into the void and the void's on mute. Yeah, I've been there. But here's the good news. It's not because your product sucks. It's not because your list is broken. And it's definitely not because email is dead. It's because you're missing the one thing that makes people care, your story. And today I'm going to show you how to use email storytelling to go from ignored to irresistible, even if you've never written a story in your life. And if you want to skip the learning curve completely, you can generate an entire 7-day storytelling email funnel in seconds. Seriously, this tool's a beast. Over at instantsalesfunnels.com, the link's in the description. Go check it out. Most marketers write emails like a robot on its fifth cup of coffee. Subject line, feature, bullet point, call to action. Blah, blah, blah. It's boring. It's forgettable. It's lifeless. But stories? Stories cut through the noise like a chainsaw at a library. They grab attention, build trust, and make your offer feel like the obvious next step. Here's the secret. Every great email story needs just 3 simple things. Number 1, the pain. You start by talking about a real problem your audience is dealing with. Not with jargon, not with fluff, but with raw, honest, emotional truth. Number 2, the turning point. This is where you introduce a moment of hope, a change, a little light at the end of the tunnel. People don't buy products. They buy transformation. And number 3, the solution. You bring in your product or service only after they're emotionally invested. Now it feels like their idea to buy. Let me give you a mini example. Imagine you're selling a course that helps people start a side hustle. Your email doesn't start with "this course will teach you XYZ." It starts with this: I sat in the parking lot with my engine off for 27 minutes. Not because I had nowhere to be, but because I couldn't face another day of pretending I was happy at my job. Boom. That line hits. Because it's real. It's human. It's the stuff your audience is really feeling but not saying out loud. Then you take them through the moment that changed it all. I opened my laptop that night and decided I was done waiting. I built my first offer, slapped together a funnel, and got my first $7 sale. That was all it took to believe again. Now, I help others do the same, without the tech overwhelm or years of wasted time. Here's how. That's it. That's the difference between ignored and inspired, between no clicks and consistent conversions. And the best part? You don't have to be a copywriter to do this, because I built a tool that does it all for you. It's called the Instant Email Funnel Generator, and you can try it 100% free right now at instantsalesfunnels.com. Just drop in your product details, and my system will spit out a 7-day storytelling sequence, written in a voice that sounds like you wrote it on your best day ever. So if you've been staring at a blank screen, wondering what the hell to write, if you've been ghosted by your list one too many times, or if you're just tired of writing emails that feel like a chore, go to instantsalesfunnels.com and give it a spin. It's free, it's fast, and it works. And hey, if this video helped you even a little, smash that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more no-fluff, real talk marketing tips. Your next email doesn't have to be ignored. Your next story could change everything. I'll see you at instantsalesfunnels.com.